Enzo, come help me with this.
You boys have fun.
Something wrong with it?
No, just thought I'd enjoy the view. Let the fleas burrow in nice and deep.
Luckily you have me. I think I fixed it. But the engine needs starting up. Enzo, you're always cranking your own handle. Come give this one a try.
Signore, this car is incredible. May I take a closer look?
You can see very well from there.
There's no need to be rude. Stronzo.
As if this wasn't stressful enough.
See that, Gennaro? The farmhand managed it.
Just get in. Let's get out of here.
Oh, Donna Mazzari!
Cose inutili. He never thinks about anyone but himself. Let's go this way. Take the scenic route.
Good idea.
Imagine a life stuck with him. You at least can decide who you marry. My future is bound in service to my father.
We do not always get to choose what we do. Isn't that what you told me?
What happened to choosing who we are? There is more to this life than duty, Enzo.
You went to the mouth. Buongiorno, Isabella.
Buongiorno, father.
It's a fine day for a dance. Yes, the two of you?
No. Yes, Enzo is my chaperone.
That's all. I haven't seen you for confession lately.
Sorry, father. I've had some things on my mind.
All the more reason to clear your conscience. Send my regards to your father.
Didn't seem too happy about us being alone.
Ah, the respectable men of the valley are rarely pleased to see me doing things that I enjoy. I'm used to it. You're not like the others, though.
I'm not respectable.
No, I mean, you talk to me like I'm a person.
Maybe I know what it's like to need a friend.
Maybe that's it. Let's take the path through the mountains. I haven't been that way in a long time.
But Valerio said...
Race you there, lose rest right back with Gennaro.
Hey! Go, go!
Go! Ready to lose!
Ha!
Now you're showing off! Bye!
Ha! Andiamo!
Anthony!
Vai!
Look at you go!
Yeah!
Bye!
Più veloce, più veloce!
Anthony! Ah, you really don't want to ride with Gennaro?
Yeah! Haha! Andiamo!
So, the win at the patio wasn't just luck.
I would have had back. But you're good. You know what this means.
I have to ride back with that stronzo?
Losing's bad enough. I wouldn't force Gennaro's company on you after that.
Oh, such a gentleman.
Keep calling me that. It's going to go to my head.
It's been good to get out like this, with someone I can talk to. I wish it could always be this way.
Maybe it can.
We're getting close. This is the way we'd come up with my mother. She loved it up here.
What happened to her?
Ah, she was sick for a long time. Even on her worst days, she'd lift herself out of bed to come here.
So she was strong-willed. Like you.
She was. And she died. Everything changed. My father hasn't been the same since.
I'm sorry. Really.
Take a right here. I want to show you something. My mother was an artist. She would paint the ruins up here, from this overlook. This is why I brought my camera. About time I took a photograph of this place. Have you ever used one of these before?
No. Never seen one up close.
Here, why don't you take it?
Are you sure?
Just point it at the ruins and look down into the lens. You might need to play with the focus, like this. And you can change how much light you let in, just here. Oh, sorry.
Don't be.
Well, that's all there is to it. When you're ready, press the button. You need a good balance between light and dark. You can adjust how much light it takes in, if things feel off. Make sure the light is just right. That's it. Once it's ready, I'll show it to you.
Hope it turns out good.
If not, we'll just have to practice some more together. Peaceful, isn't it?
It was.
We better catch up with them. For a beginner, you are a natural with the camera. If you want, you can borrow it. Plenty of places I haven't taken photos of yet.
What do you do with them?
The best ones go in my journal. I've read all about the world. America, England. But the Valle Dorata is like nowhere else. Thought I would make my own record of this place.
I'd like to read that.
Help me take more photographs. Maybe you can. Almost there. It's been nice spending time with you, Enzo.
It has.
Things have been different since you showed up. Better. I'm glad you found your way to us.
Me too.
Here we are.
Every college journey I hated more. And now you're just being dramatic.
You took your time.
The temple's been here for more than 2,000 years. It isn't going anywhere.
A girl with the camera. Whatever next.
I don't know, Gennaro. A boy with manners.
It's not what I... Let's start again, eh? Why don't you tell me about your photographs while we take a look around? You boys watch the car while we're gone, huh?
Yeah, don't worry. We'll take a good care of her.
Shouldn't we go with them?
Ah, trust me.
She can look after herself with that one.
You want to take her for a ride? So Gennaro trusts you behind the wheels now? You two must have really hit it off.
Fuck Gennaro. Well, he can go tell his daddy. Hey, besides, I'm not driving. You are.
Fanculo. If you show me what to do.
There you go. Ah, let's see how you handle it, mine boy. Start the engine and get in. Me and the boys come driving here sometimes. Few drinks, few girls, release. That's it. She's ready. All right. Put your foot there and push down. You see that temple over on that hill? That's where we start our races. Head over there. Maybe we'll try a lap, if you can handle the ride. Use the other pedal to stop if you need to. You don't want to mess this baby up. That's it. And just remember not to drive into anything, and you'll be golden. Think you're ready for a challenge, mine boy? Behold, the circuit of the gods. Let's see how you do getting around it. Those pillars with ribbons mark out the track. And just follow them back here to the starting line.
Let's do it.
Go on then. Put your foot down. People have been racing around this place for God knows how long. Even my first pillar coming up. That's a one down. Keep going. Here comes another one. There's the next pillar.
Did you hear that? Sounded like a gun.
Probably hunters. Next one's coming up. Last one ahead. All right. Let's give you a real taste of what this track was made for. Go around again, but this time, put your foot down. Come on, drive! And nobody's beaten my best time around here.
Not until now.
Good luck. First pillar down. Speed's looking good. That's another one. You're really flying.
Are you sure that's hunters?
Trust me, I know this place. They love chasing birds around here. Just keep driving.
Isabella!
Micchia!
You better get over there.
Left, Enzo! Go! Head to the temple! Micchia! Bandits! Anything happens to them, we're dead! Amoli!
Bring them to me! Kill anyone ahead of your way!
Don't give up easy.
Hunters, Cesare? Really?
Not now! Just kill the bastardi! These figli buttani! They'll take Isabella!
No. We'll get to it.
Don't let him get any closer! Is he there? I'll look. There! I see him! I'll forget he is! Look! Ha! I see him! Shit!
Just keep shooting.
Let's force him to move! Get them with a grenade! I'll blow him to pieces! Push him out!
Going driving was your idea. Got to reload. You want to die for them? Force him out if I have to.
Reload! Let's force him to move!
Get up there and find them. I'll shoot from here. Keep the bastards off you.
Isabella, where are you?
Get him out of there.
Nothing left.
Spooky! Get it moving! Found her!
Get off me!
Bring her over here. Get back! The girl's ours!
Isabella! I'm coming!
Spooky! Get him moving! Let's flush him out!
Put him up in front.
Oh, yeah, my father will have you!
Testa di minchia! Figli di puttana!
Let's go! Enzo! We can't let them get away! Get in!
I drive. You shoot. Better hope you're a fast learner. Catch up to them. Go, go! Messina's a dead man. He thinks he can kidnap my cousin. They're getting away! They're getting away! Go! Ah! The car! Block the car! Oh! Hey! You got to kill us before my uncle gets the chance. The way they just showed up, looks like they planned it. Can't take a shit out of him without one of these bastards jumping out from behind the tree. Fire! Watch out! They're heading down the hill. Stay on them. Through the temple. Bastards! I'll kill them!
No, Cesare! You leave Isabella!
Look out! Take the right! If we stay behind them, we're dead! Keep right! They're bringing down the pillar! Cristo!
Hang in there, Isabella! I'm going to get you out of this!
Oh, fuck!
Hold on!
Not sure how much of this she can take. Go left! They're blocking the road!
Shoot the rider!
Oh, what an idea!
Smoke's getting worse! That can't be good!
It's bad, Enzo! Really fucking bad! They'll all get what's coming to them! Where's my cousin? Now the car!
Come on!
Cesare! What? I barely got to drive it!
It won't last much longer. We need to find something else.
What else?
How should I know? Cesare, take the wheel! What? Just do it! I'm going for the horse!
Puta madre!
Don't let them get away! Ha! Minchia! Shit, no bullet! Come on! Do something! Yeah, I'm trying! I'm winning! Idioti! Get the body! Forza! Bring him down! Don't let him fall! Ha! Faster! Go! Go! Ah! Anna Massari! Who is this doing? You spell!
coming down there!
Enzo!
Kill him! No! All right! Has to be now!
Enzo!
Get rid of him! What are you doing?
The driver! Get the driver!
You shut up!
Enzo!
Isabella. You're right.
Enzo.
You're right.
Isabella! Va bene?
They took Gennaro.
You both need to go back.
And what about you?
I'm going after them.
I need to take you home.
No.
You know he's right. What the fuck are you doing? Huh?
What?
You're gonna get yourself killed for that asshole.
I need to make this right.
Don't do anything stupid, all right? I'll be back with Luca and the others.
Found you.
Don't make it any worse for yourself.
Lucky that. I've heard enough of his whining.
Vai! Muoviti!
This wasn't meant to be easy. You pick up the boy and hold him till your man gets what he wants.
The plan stays the same. We hold the little Coglione until the Fontanera falls. But there's a problem. The girl that was with him is a Torrisi's daughter. First light, he's gonna send a man. The whole area will be crawling with them. By then we need to be gone with the kid.
We could leave him here.
Until we see someone, the kid stays with us.
How much is the ransom?
5,000 lira.
Think the Baron will pay?
I heard he's in debt. Losing money all over. Tried to tell Messina, but he wouldn't listen.
We're risking retaliation from Torrisi. There better be money in this for us.
I don't care what it is. The son of a family. We should celebrate.
Yeah!
We can worry about that later. Once Fontanella pays the ransom, you can sit on the money and stay out of sight. For now, we drink.
Cristo!
Some money in this. Messina owes me at the last. What happened? We lifted some water pumps from a farm in the valley. Stashed them in the pit. Supposed to be an easy job. Next day, a crew turned up and shot the place to hell. You again! Kill this Vigiputana! Move! Move! Oh, grenade! Grenade!
Reloading!
You again! Kill this Vigiputana!
Reloading! Get him out! I need to reload! Right, dodging a grenade! Amoni, get him out of there! Drive him out! Reloading, cover me! He's coming up the hill! Kill him! Help! Kill them! I'm out! Keep them away from me! Get rid of them! If I die, it's your fault! Keep them away from me! Get rid of them! Kill them! Over here! Veda Matri, I thought you would be long gone. Hey, are you all right? What do you think? They could have killed me. Thank God.
Let's get out of here.
Follow me, and stay close.
Is that the ransom note? How much were they asking?
5,000 lire.
Scum. I'm worth at least that. They're treating me like an animal. So they start cutting off my fingers.
There's a way out over there. Let's go. Oh, you're right. We need to go, come on. Gennaro, look at me. You again. The kid stays with me. Once I'm done with you, we're gone. Then I get paid. I wouldn't count that gold just yet. Come on. Bravo.
You're out of your depth, boy. This is bigger than you and me.
It is. That was Don Torres' daughter you almost killed.
The boy is mine. Think there's honor in this? Doing Torres' dirty work.
What the fuck would you know?
Put down the knife. I get my bounty. You walk away with your life.
There's no deal you can make here! Laying hands on a woman. You're just a coward.
And you're just an errand boy.
Howdy! Finish the bastard!
Not fast enough. Go on.
I thought you were a dead man. Thank you.
Let's find you a horse. And get back.
Pezzo di merda.